Hello, everyone. Hey, listen, this is going to be a real quick video, but it's something that I learned early on when I signed into TikTok. And I thought, well, maybe I'll just spread the wealth and help you guys out if you're struggling a little bit to either gain following or people taking action, trying to get into your link if you have 1,000 followers or more on TikTok. So, covers three parts to a perfect TikTok marketing post. It's relative. So just understand that if you follow the rule of thumb that we're about to go over, you should see an increase in not only followership, but you should see an increase in sales too. So, with that said, let's get started. And I hope you get everything out of this that you need to. Peter Drucker said the aim of marketing is to know and to understand the customer so well that the product or service fits him and sells itself. Nothing could be truer. Let's move on. The hook. So, like I said in the start, there's three parts of a what I consider a perfect TikTok video. The first is the hook. So, what's the hook? It's a statement that quickly grabs a person's attention. In other words, you have a very limited time on people scrolling through TikTok, and you have to put something up there that really grabs their attention. What I found to be very helpful is that you put a statement up in there um, that is highlighted in a certain color. On my TikToks, you'll see that they are white with black lettering. To me, that has been working really well. But it's okay to test, try different colors, see if you get different viewership. Now, the statement itself, you're looking at something that connects with your potential follower or even potential customer. Something like this: tired of working your 9 to 5. Well, in my line of work, affiliate marketing, that happens to resonate with a lot of people. It certainly resonated with me when I was working. I've been able to quit my job and pursue affiliate marketing 100%. So it can be done, and if you're not quite there yet, if you're consistent, you're going to have success. But you have to stay consistent. You can't be touch and go. So another statement might be, are you ready to make passive income online? Passive income online is a powerful statement. That means it's telling that person that they can make money when they're not physically doing something or actively doing something in order to get that money. So you've heard the term make money in your sleep. There's nothing truer with affiliate marketing. You build a digital product out there, for instance, this YouTube video or a TikTok video or a Facebook post, a Pinterest post, whatever it may be, any social media post, and it's there until you close it down or restrict it from the line of sight for people to see it. So it could constantly be making you revenue. How to fire your boss in 2021. Of course, the year is subject to wherever time you're seeing this, but right now it is the middle of 2021, and a lot of people will resonate with that. And it also could be a search item as well for like a keyword. All these resonate with your potential customer or your potential follower. So when you put that hook out there, keep in mind what grabbed your attention to become an affiliate marketer or to become that influencer. What is it that you feel that is so true to you and so ingrained in your heart that it caught your eye to get started down the path that you're on right now. Those are hooks, and those are very, very powerful statements to really grab the attention of your potential customers or followers. The next is your story. So, like on TikTok, you have a limited time, up to 60 seconds. You don't have a whole lot of time to just sit there and put a dissertation of your story. You have a very small time frame in order to get that story. So you have your hook. Let's say, hey, you're tired of working your 9 to 5. Your story might be, you worked 12 hours a day, no breaks, no time off, hardly. You worked even while you're on vacation, reading email and stuff. You can relate. If you worked a 9 to 5 or had to punch a time clock in your life, then you understand what I'm saying. Your story is important, though. You have to show empathy and sincerity. People are going to be able to read you if you're telling what I like to call a porky pie. If you are accentuating the truth, if you're not sincere, if you are trying to make something there that's not, you understand what I'm saying. So be empathetic with their position, because your story will resonate with a lot of people out there. You know, mine, I was a retail manager for over 20 years. And my story was that, well, I kind of covered it. I worked 12 to 16 hours depending on the season. If you look at my family photo albums, I was always in uniform with my name tag on there. I worked for a major electronic company, retail electronic company, and you could probably guess who that was. Great company, loved them, but they certainly were soul sucking in a corporate way. So when I tell my story, a lot of people can gravitate towards that because they understand that's what the life they're living right now. It may be a construction job, or where they're traveling 2 hours one way to get to work, 2 hours back. It could be they're out on an oil rig, working an oil rig, and they're gone 3-4 days in a row before they see family and friends. So if you're sincere and you show empathy towards what they may be going through, they're more likely to continue listening to your video, and more likely to hit the follow button, and even likelier so to maybe follow the link that's in your bio. So during your story, you want to reinforce those pain points like we just covered. Your personal experience is powerful. You have a story to tell. Even if you don't think you do, you have a story to tell. You just got to be creative. Again, like I said, tell the truth, but be creative on how you tell it, and people will listen. The last is the call to action. That means you're asking somebody to do take a physical action at that point in the video. In TikTok world, you're talking. You wanted to, let's say, towards the end of the video, you've told your story. The action you want to take, obviously, is either to hit the follow button, hit the like button, or go into your bio and click the link, or all three. You can make that happen as well. You don't want to overwhelm the customer. When I make my videos, it's usually geared towards building my followership, getting more likes, or going to my link in my bio. So they're very distinct videos, although you probably won't, if you look at one of each, you probably won't see two, they're not going to be too dissimilar. It's just the call to action is going to be different, if that makes sense. And again, click the link in the bio. And please like and follow more. Okay, those are examples that we've already talked about. So you want to have in mind what the ultimate goal is. Is it going to be a build follow? Is it going to be the link, or is it going to be the likes? So if you have that in mind, you're able to coordinate your video accordingly, and people will see that as genuine. And when you're genuine and you're yourself, you're sincere, you certainly show empathy to what they're going through as a client, a potential client, or a follower. You're going to build your following. I was able to take my following from about 1,500 people in about mid-April to now being towards the end of May, 27,000. Now, yes, there are people out there that have gone on a straight upward projectile arrow path, but I'm really happy with the amount of follows that I've got and the amount of likes that I got in my videos. And I'd like to think it's because of these 3 steps I'm showing you here for TikTok specifically. Of course, being sincere and truthful will carry you forward through all your social media. But this is specifically geared around TikTok. And that's it. It's three simple steps. You got the hook, your story, and the call to action. If any one of those are missing, then more than likely your video isn't going to be as successful for you as it could be. So if you have any questions, you can put down in the comments what your questions are. You can find me on TikTok at Brett Copy. It will be down in the comments as well. And, go build your TikTok, find yourself some success. And I look forward to speaking with each and every one of you. Thank you for your time. Talk to you soon.